Hey everybody, Curtis from A1 Detailing here today. Next project on deck, 2016 GMC, extra cab. Poor old girl just needs a little loving. We got some dusty old dirty seats. They're not old, they just been out in the weather and being driven around and just doing what they're supposed to do. Carry the driver, passengers. Sometimes folks get a little busy. They don't have time to look after their stuff. And that's all good, because that's what we're here for. So we're going to get rid of all this dirt and debris and clean out these nooks and crannies. Take the stains out of the seats. I think we're going to clean up that salt line. Make them floor mats look nice. We'll take away all the dust and stuff off these door panels. Give them a nice coat of protection so they're shiny and help repel the dirt. We're going to work our way through the back and catch all these little nooks and crannies. All the things up here that were there won't be there. We'll get in the back, get these carpets looking gorgeous. Tidy up these seats, put these down. So we'll see you in a little while. Stay tuned.